2019. It's a purplish blue, but the sun's not out. It's a 1968 GT40 Mk2. It is custom.
That's the Mk2, that's Mk1 wide body.
Oh, the Mk1 wide body. Sorry. He had Mk1 on the front. But there it is. That is better than the real deal. That's custom, just finished. This is probably faster than the original. And it's got everything upgraded better than the original. And that's what the umbrella's for. Whoops. And the body came from South Africa. Don't know the color he did in either, but it's a blue with a nice violet purplish hue to it.